I'm the bad guy. Duh.
Hey guys, it's Lexi and I'm back here with another video, and today's video is very special, and if you read the title then you already know what's about to happen, and you're probably like watching because you're like impossible, but like it's not. I swear I have 3 pairs of AirPods sitting right in front of me. 3 pairs. We got 1, that's 1 pair, we got 2, and we got 3, and they are all working, which I will show proof in the next clip of this video. But in the beginning, I just want to do a little background story on the entire idea how this happened. So I went to the beach with a couple of friends, and my mom rang me and was like, "Lex, get the freak inside the house." And I'm like, I don't see a storm. So me being thoroughly due, I kept on the beach, and I'm walking, blah blah blah, and then suddenly lightning strikes like 2 inches in front of me, and I was like, ah, but I kind of just like stood there, and then as soon as it was gone, I looked down and it appeared to be a pen. This pen was a panda bear head attached to a pen. I was like, cool, wow, so nice. So I took it home with me, and when I got home, I was like, oh, chill, and I was writing in my little diary, dear diary, I would really like AirPods, and I sat it down, and it was next to a magnet, and I woke up, and where my magnet was next day was a pair of AirPods. And honestly, I was so shocked. I was like, oh my god, I was like, this is not really happening. I was like, no way. So I wanted to test it. I wanted to test the theory. I was like, I wanted AirPods. I wonder if I can make some. So what you're about to see, it's all real proof. I have 3 pairs right here, and it's real. So like, this is legit, like actually legit. I'm not making this up. You guys are gonna see this in the next clip, and let me know what you think of the video. So let's get into it. I just wanted to show proof that it actually works. So let me just grab mine. So here's mine, and I'm just going to show you that it works. It pops up on the screen. So each of them are different names, so just so I can like prove to you guys that it works. These are Lexi. These ones are Lexi because the first ones I made, and then the second pair I made are Alexus, and then the third is YouTube because that's what I want to do. So when I open it, just watch. Oh, I did it wrong. Whoops. Okay. And when I open it, it shows up as Lexi's AirPods, and then I'm gonna play something really loud. Okay, there's your proof. So now let me put them back, and let's like get into how you make them. Where did the I was looking for the other one. It's my ear. Okay, so I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. All right, for starters, you're going to need to what you're going to need in order to do this is a pair of headphones with wires. Why those? Because that's the easiest way to do it, you know? And I have my iPhone, this one, and when I got it, I never took the headphones out, so I went to check in the box because I think every phone you get comes with a brand new pair of headphones, so yippee me. So we're gonna check that right now and see if there is. Shocker! How did I know? So now that you have a pair of headphones, you're also going to need scissors. You need scissors for the chopping of the wire, because it's really the only way they would be, you know, AirPods if they didn't have wires. Then you're going to need a pair of tweezers. This is for the electronic part of the situation, and everything else, it just kind of settles everything in. And then you're going to need a big magnet. I know you're seeing stuff on mine. Ignore what's on it. You just need a big magnet. this is what's gonna settle into the whole AirPod-y situation. And I feel like every case is gonna be different because my first pair that I showed you, those look different, and then this pair is like in this kind of case, and then this third pair, we don't know how the case is gonna turn out because like when the Panda does this trick, honestly, you really get what you get, you know? So let's just get into it. So for starters, you're going to want to take your headphones out of whatever you have them in, unless they're already out, because like some people already use theirs. So freak, this is weird. Why is it all complicated? Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. Why is there a knot? Oh, this is locked. Now you have a pair of headphones. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to want to cut off this part because no AirPods have the wire, but you also want to cut off this part because no AirPod has that either. So in order to do this like perfectly, like, I mean, I don't think there's no, like it's going to be perfect. I think all you have to do is like cut it off. So what I personally did is I aimed right for the edge and I snipped. So now you have a one pod, so now you have to do the next one. So let's see, cut it right. Okay, now you have useless wires that can go in the trash. And for this next part, you're going to need your tweezers. So what the tweezers do is really just keep them in place because this part's pretty important. This is what's really going to make them them. And this part involves the magnet. So my magnet has stuff on it, but it worked with it on it. So like, I don't think it's a big deal, but you guys just, all you need is a magnet. Mine just has a bunch of stuff on it. So let me just like move. I have like a bunch of, oh, you can't see it. Okay, so what you do is you're going to take your tweezers and you're going to grab one AirPod because it has to be done correctly. And you want to dip it in head first. And careful because like it's already going to magnetize. Oh my god, my tweezers are magnetizing. What the heck? I didn't use tweezers. I just wanted to like, okay. There's one. Now, you want to hurry up and stick the other one in there because they both have to be in for the same amount of time. Okay, now that they're like this, what I did is I set up Mr. Panda because Mr. Panda is the one that made the first ones and he's a doll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Mr. Panda onto the magnet just to sit there. And honestly, it took him a day when I checked and the AirPods were done. So I'll check up with you guys in a day and we'll see how it went. So we'll be back. So we're here a whole day later. I only decided to wear the same outfit and the same makeup style for the video. So let's see what we got. An Altoids case. Where's Mr. Panda? Mr. Panda Bear is missing. The gods must have took him back. Well, at least he hopefully left me a third pair of AirPods. Let's see. Peppa, what are you doing in my Altoids case? So our AirPods are here. So I wonder if when you take them out, it does it again. So let's check this. Let's try this out. So. Okay. This is AirPods Connect. Oh my god, if it would show. AirPods connect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit connect. And it says, what does it say? Oh my god, you can't read it. It says YouTube's AirPods. I'm gonna screenshot just so you guys can see. Like, I'm not even joking. So I'm gonna put them in and we're gonna see if they work. Okay. Now I'm gonna play something. So now, in total, we have 3 pairs. We have pair number 1, pair number 2, and pair number 3 now. Wow. Oop. And I oop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and comment down below what you thought of it and everything else. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And check out teenhearts.com and use my code _LexiDex. And I'll see you guys next week.